I got this box of replacement office chair wheels for me to check out and give my honest opinion. So let's go ahead and take these things out of the box, install them on my office chair, and see how well they work. So in the box were 5 pretty nice office chair wheels. These are kind of like rollerblade wheels, nice and rubbery, got good bearings. Definitely going to be an upgrade to the chair wheels that I have now, which are just the 2 little tandem plastic wheels. So let's go ahead and get these installed and see how well the chair moves. All right, so these are the style wheels that I have on my office chair right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off and put these nicer replacement wheels on and see how much better they roll. And there's the wheels now put on, and as you can see, we've got this kind of older carpet in the office, but it's still usable and still works. But the old wheels will not move around really well. These larger wheels seem to move really well on the carpet. So yeah, I like them. They move around. The chair actually is a lot easier to move back and forth around the carpet. I'm sure on tile it would just be that much easier, but yeah, I think this is going to make my chair a lot easier to move around. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Really helps us out. Thank y'all for watching.